In this video you will learn to select a random element from the list. So we will be using two modules. First is random and second is secrets. So let's make a my underscore list and let's do 1 A 33 C D and 66. So I am going to print random.choice my underscore list. So you can see C is the output. So using random module you can generate a random element from a list. So my list is passed as a parameter to choice method of random module. So let's use the secrets module now. So let's seek the my list. Okay, so I am going to show 1 G K and let's put some numbers. Okay, and then okay, so this is a random selection. So let's print secrets dot choice my underscore list. So let's run it. So y is the output. So using choice method of secrets module you can select a random element from the list. It is cryptographically safer than the random module.